Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW guys, pretty much any BMW, and you need to disconnect or you need to reconnect your car battery, we will explain guys which battery terminal to disconnect first and which to reconnect first guys. Make sure you stay until the end. It's very helpful information because if you do it the wrong way guys, you can cause damage to electrical system, modules, computers, and you can even guys get to the point that not be able to start your car, and we'll explain that as we go. Back in the day, we replaced the battery on BMW before we knew much about that stuff, and we accidentally put the wrong cable first, the wrong terminal, and we ended up buying a new ABS and traction control module that was very expensive guys. So we'll explain in today's video which battery terminal to reconnect and disconnect first. Every single car guys we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Now, if you need to buy any tools, parts, anything for your BMW, check out guys the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all our parts and tools from. That way guys, okay, if you need something, you can see where we get our things from, and you can save even more money on parts and tools. Also, this channel right here, this is our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. We have so much helpful information that can save you thousands of dollars on car diagnostics, codes, relays, fuses, things like that. So definitely guys, check it out. Now, let me explain what we need to do. So we need to find where your car battery is located. It may be under the hood or maybe on the back guys, in the trunk. We have a station wagon here, but even if you have a trunk, you have to remove the cover. You may need to remove a side pocket. Sometimes it's on the right side, sometimes it's right in the middle. It really depends. X3 BMW, usually the battery is right here. 3 series and 5 series on the right side. The newer generation 3 and 5 series, the battery is actually in the middle. So it really guys, it really depends. You may have a few clips that you need to remove. We have everything pre-loosened, not to waste your time, and we're going to get to our car battery in a second and show you guys which battery terminal to reconnect, disconnect and reconnect first, which is super important. So now, that being said guys, removing it, okay, the first terminal to actually disconnect will be the negative terminal guys, and we have some extra wires here because of the hitch wiring harness, but the first terminal to always remove is the negative terminal. Now get it loose, okay, we need to pull it to the side to make sure it's not touching anything, and the second terminal that we need to disconnect is actually the positive terminal guys. Okay, first negative, second positive. In our case, okay, what we'll need to do here now, okay, we'll actually need to remove that bracket because that bracket will not let us lift the positive terminal up. Okay, so we'll need to get these bolts loose. You're going to see that in a second, and we'll be able to pull that bracket completely out. Once we do that, we'll be able to actually go ahead and pull the positive terminal out. So always when disconnecting, disconnect negative first, positive second. This is the rule guys. Now make sure that nothing is touching anywhere. We're going to go ahead. Okay, get it loose now. With 10mm socket in our case. You have to be extremely careful. You have airbag wires here guys, that's part of the airbag system. If you're not qualified and certified to do that, don't do it guys. You need to push down here. Okay, and you kind of like spread it a little bit. Okay, it came out on this side, now on the other side as well. Okay, push down and pull to the side. Perfect, this one is loose. Now grab the terminal, don't grab for the wires. Okay, the whole assembly needs to come up at the same time and disconnect it. You can see it just like that. Now, always make sure that you put some kind of prevention to make sure that the terminal don't touch while you're working on your car. But when you reconnect things guys, you actually go in the opposite way. Okay, when you reconnect it, you're going to install the positive first, and the second one to reconnect is the negative. This is the last one. So hopefully you get the idea. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.